Welcome to Frank's World of AI, the podcast dedicated to navigating the complex, fascinating, and rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. I'm Alex Thomas, your seasoned business journalist, and today we're dissecting a development that's sending seismic waves through the tech industry. Joining me is our brilliant technology reporter, Stella Levine. Stella, it seems OpenAI just dropped a bombshell, signing an absolutely massive infrastructure deal with Amazon Web Services. Is earthquake too strong a word?
Alex, it's not strong enough. This is a monumental shift. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has inked a staggering $38 billion deal with AWS. For context, until recently, Microsoft was their exclusive cloud provider. This agreement not only gives them immediate access to hundreds of thousands of Nvidia GPUs, but also provides the flexibility to significantly scale their infrastructure through 2026 and well beyond. It truly redefines their strategic alliances in the cloud space, and the market is certainly reacting, with Amazon stock climbing about 5% right after the news broke.
$38 billion is an eye-watering figure, Stella. As a business journalist, my first question is always about the why and the what. What exactly is OpenAI buying with this colossal sum? And what does it signal about their operational needs and ambitions? This isn't just about renting servers. This is about securing the very foundation for frontier AI development, isn't it?
Absolutely, Alex. This isn't a mere transactional agreement. OpenAI is committing to buying massive compute capacity directly from AWS. We're talking about accessing existing AWS data centers right now, with Amazon also committing to building out additional, completely separate infrastructure specifically for OpenAI in the coming years. Dave Brown, VP of Compute and Machine Learning Services at AWS, confirmed that some of this capacity is already available. This deal primarily focuses on Nvidia's GPUs, including their powerful Blackwell models, essential for both training next-generation frontier AI models and powering real-time inference for services like ChatGPT. It's about securing guaranteed, reliable, and scalable access to the most advanced hardware required for their ambitious roadmap, effectively future-proofing their core operations.
The narrative around OpenAI has long been tied to Microsoft's significant investment, totaling $13 billion, and their previous exclusive cloud agreement. This AWS deal fundamentally alters that dynamic. Stella, can you elaborate on the implications of Microsoft's preferential status expiring and what this means for OpenAI's newfound freedom in choosing cloud partners?
Certainly, Alex. Microsoft's exclusivity as OpenAI's cloud provider ended earlier this year, and crucially, their preferential status expired just last week. This development liberated OpenAI to pursue broader partnerships. While they had already forged deals with Oracle and Google, the AWS agreement is by far the most significant, given Amazon's market leadership. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman stated that scaling frontier AI requires massive, reliable compute, and this partnership strengthens the broad compute ecosystem. This move signals a deliberate strategy of diversification, reducing reliance on a single vendor, optimizing for cost performance, and ensuring operational resilience. It's a clear play for strategic independence. They're not abandoning Microsoft, with whom they'll still spend $250 billion on Azure, but rather broadening their horizons significantly.
Now, here's where it gets truly fascinating and perhaps a bit complicated. Amazon Web Services, while securing this colossal deal with OpenAI, has also invested billions in Anthropic, a direct rival to OpenAI. They're even constructing an $11 billion data center exclusively for Anthropic's workloads. Stella, how does AWS manage this seemingly contradictory strategy of partnering with two of the biggest competitors in the AI space?
That's an excellent point, Alex, and it highlights AWS's position as a neutral infrastructure provider. While Amazon's corporate entity invested in Anthropic and built dedicated infrastructure, AWS operates as a service provider to all. Dave Brown from AWS explicitly stated, OpenAI is a customer of AWS. They've committed to buying compute capacity from us, and we're charging OpenAI for that capacity. It's very, very straightforward. Essentially, AWS provides the picks and shovels for the AI gold rush, regardless of who's digging. The Anthropic campus uses Amazon's custom-built Trainium chip, showcasing their diverse hardware strategy, while OpenAI's deal focuses on Nvidia chips. This allows AWS to capture market share from all leading AI developers, leveraging immense infrastructure to fuel the industry and foster competition among clients.
This diversification of cloud partners and securing long-term capacity across providers feels like a preparatory move for a larger corporate evolution. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has openly acknowledged that an IPO is the most likely path for the company. Stella, how does this AWS deal align with the goal of going public, and what does it tell us about the future demands on AI infrastructure?
It aligns perfectly, Alex. By diversifying its cloud footprint and locking in massive long-term capacity, OpenAI signals independence and operational maturity, crucial for a successful public offering. CFO Sarah Fryer echoes Altman, framing restructuring as a necessary step. This deal demonstrates to investors a robust, scalable infrastructure strategy, mitigating vendor lock-in. It also underscores the insatiable demand for compute. Even with AI bubble skeptics, multi-billion-dollar infrastructure bets highlight compute power as the bottleneck for frontier AI. This secures their ability to train larger models, ensuring they remain at the forefront. The future of AI is intrinsically linked to vast, reliable computing resources.
Today, we've unpacked OpenAI's monumental $38 billion deal with Amazon Web Services. This strategic pivot signals a new era of diversification for the AI giant, strengthening its independence, securing vital compute capacity, and positioning it for a potential future IPO. It also highlights the intricate dynamics of the AI cloud market, where even rivals like OpenAI and Anthropic are powered by infrastructure titans like AWS.
Indeed, Alex. This deal is more than just numbers. It's a testament to the escalating demand for high-performance computing in the AI arms race. Reliable, scalable infrastructure is the bedrock upon which the next generation of AI innovation will be built. OpenAI's strategic choices today will undoubtedly shape not just their own trajectory, but the entire competitive landscape of artificial intelligence for years to come. It's truly a fascinating time in this space.
Absolutely. That wraps up another insightful episode of Frank's World of AI. Thank you, Stella, for your invaluable analysis. To our listeners, please like, share, and subscribe. For the latest in AI and quantum tech news, visit franksworld.com. We appreciate your support and look forward to more in-depth analysis next